Hi, this is Marshall from Snake River Vapors. I got an Aegis solo kit here. Here's the barcode and the SN number. Whenever you put a tank on it, doesn't matter. I got a couple tanks here. It always reads that there's no atomizer. So put the tank on, it's nice and tight, and no coil detected. We can take this one off. Then we'll put another tank on there. And then it acts like it's gonna read it, and then no coil detected. Like, kind of give it a reset. Still no coil detected. And then I even have an RDA here, the Geek Vape Athena. Screw that down. No coil detected. Thank you for your time.